Hello, content creators and marketing enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the art of creating a winning content marketing strategy. If you ever wondered how to capture your audience's attention and boost your brand's presence, you are in the right place. First up, we have a critical component of any successful content marketing strategy, embracing experimentation. Let's illustrate this with a scenario. Imagine you're a marketing manager for a fashion e-commerce company. You've been keeping an eye on the rising popularity of augmented reality technology. The key here is that experimentation isn't about blindly following trends. It's about harnessing innovation to connect with your audience in meaningful ways. By staying curious, agile, and open to new approaches, you can elevate your content marketing strategy to new heights. The next tip focuses on the need to be both informative and relatable in your content. The magic here lies in aligning your content with popular culture. Staying in tune with what's buzzing in the market allows you to create content that deeply resonates with your target audience. Your audience is not just interested in business-related content, they want to see how your content relates to their daily lives. Moving on to evolving through trends. Your content marketing strategy must be adaptable and responsive to current trends in your industry. Here's a prime example. The rise of podcasts as the preferred medium for consuming content. As viewer behavior shifts toward audio-centric platforms, it's essential for content marketers to leverage this medium. Similarly, on platforms like YouTube, the demand for shorter, bite-sized content has led to the promotion of shorts as a format. Collaboration. The power of influencers in your content marketing strategy cannot be underestimated. Imagine teaming up with an influential figure in your industry to create joint content and cross-promote it on your social channels. This collaboration introduces your brand to a wider audience, adds an element of credibility, and provides a powerful synergy. It's an opportunity to showcase your brand to an engaged audience already receptive to the influencer's messaging. The final tip centers around aligning your team for a successful content marketing strategy. Collaboration and open communication within your team are vital for achieving your content goals. This begins with regular communication channels and establishing a clear vision for your content marketing strategy. Use project management platforms to keep everyone informed and organized. To wrap it up, crafting an effective content marketing strategy isn't about a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about forward thinking and proactivity. Stay tuned to current trends, collaborate with influencers, embrace changes in viewer behavior, and most importantly, keep your team aligned. By implementing these strategies, you'll position yourself for success with a content calendar that reaches the right people with the right frequency. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable insights, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.